What's going on, guys? So I just received my pedal stopper. I'm pretty stoked to install this in my car because you do not want to mess up your clutch nor your motor. Why is this so important and why should you spend the money on this? The reason why is so that you don't mess up your clutch. That's one thing. And the second of all, you will overextend your when you overextend your clutch, you're actually pushing against your thrust washers and your crank. So you will wash out those thrust washers. So this is a very affordable pedal stopper that you can get. I purchased it because I love how well it's built. It looks like it's all CNC machined. I love it. Made in the USA. Can't get it any better than that. Okay. I purchased it from werksjdm, which is Marty. So if you go on Instagram, just type in werksjdm. This might be backwards as I'm showing it, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to install. And once you get one, you will not turn back. All right. So let's get to it. The right size that I found what works the best is a 3/16. So this is what I'll be using. For me personally, I will be going a little bit higher than normal. Just so it kind of feels a little bit better and more to the point. Basically very close to where the original pedal stopper is, where you can see that black rubber grommet. So I have one off right now. It's going to be super hard to actually show you to do it with two hands and try to hold the camera all at the same time. But where I'm going to be personally putting this is right up here, actually back here, like just like this. Okay, and then put the other bolt in on the back side. And then once it's all nice and tight, make sure you're nice and tight on these Allen keys. And also make sure you adjust it a few times, get in and out of the car. Make sure you tighten this bolt too, this nut. This is a 13 millimeter wrench that you can use, and an Allen key on the other side. So here it is, guys. Made in the USA, werksjdm. As you can see, Marty signed it himself. So this is it all installed. Once I push down on the pedal, it'll eventually stop. Actually, probably right over here it'll stop. So I have it perfectly. I already like kind of adjusted it a bit before, just so it was locked and tight, just so when I installed it, I knew it would be perfect. So guys, pick this up. It's not much money. Go grab it. It will save you a lot of money in the short term and the long term on your motor, your crank, freaking everything. So I'd rather spend the money, do this small little thing that will help you out. All right, go hit them up. JDM works, and good luck and have fun.